Do you ever think about your gut? You should! It's much more than just a digestion machine. Our gut plays a vital role in our overall health and well-being. Scientists are discovering that the gut is a complex ecosystem with a huge impact on our bodies. This ecosystem, known as the gut microbiome, is full of trillions of bacteria. These bacteria are not harmful, they are essential for our health. Understanding your gut microbiome is key to unlocking a healthier you. A healthy gut contributes to a strong immune system, helps us maintain a healthy weight, and even affects our mood. We'll explore the fascinating world of the gut microbiome, learn how it influences our health, and discover practical ways to nurture it. Get ready to unlock the secret power of your gut. Imagine a bustling city teeming with life. That's what your gut microbiome is like. It's a complex community of trillions of bacteria, fungi, viruses, and other microorganisms. These tiny organisms live within your digestive tract, primarily in your large intestine. The microbiome isn't static, it's constantly evolving based on factors like diet, lifestyle, and environment. Each person's microbiome is unique, like a fingerprint. This inner world of bacteria plays a crucial role in many bodily functions. The microbiome helps us digest food and absorb nutrients. It also plays a vital role in training our immune system. A healthy and diverse microbiome is essential for defending against harmful pathogens. Research suggests that the gut microbiome might even influence our mood and behavior. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to manage their weight more easily? The answer might lie within their gut. Our microbiome plays a crucial role in metabolism and weight regulation. The bacteria in our gut help us break down food and extract energy. Different types of bacteria have different effects on our metabolism. Some bacteria are more efficient at extracting energy from food, which can lead to weight gain. Others help regulate blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. The balance of bacteria in our gut can influence how our bodies store fat and how we feel hunger cues. An imbalance in the gut microbiome, known as dysbiosis, has been linked to obesity and metabolic disorders. Maintaining a healthy and balanced microbiome is essential for maintaining a healthy weight and reducing the risk of metabolic diseases. Our gut often communicates with us through various signs and symptoms. Paying attention to these gut feelings can provide valuable insights into the state of our gut health. One of the most common signs of an imbalanced gut is digestive discomfort. Frequent bloating, gas, diarrhea, or constipation can indicate that something is amiss in your gut. Food intolerances, where your body struggles to digest certain foods, can also be a sign of an imbalanced microbiome. Other signs of poor gut health include skin problems like eczema or acne, unexplained fatigue, and mood swings. If you experience these symptoms persistently, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying medical conditions and discuss ways to improve your gut health. Modern life's assault factors harming your gut. Our modern lifestyle, while convenient, often comes at the expense of our gut health. Several factors in our daily lives can disrupt the delicate balance of our gut microbiome. One of the biggest culprits is our diet. Processed foods, high in sugar, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients can negatively impact the diversity and balance of our gut bacteria. Antibiotics, while sometimes necessary to fight infections, can also wipe out beneficial bacteria in our gut. Stress, lack of sleep, and excessive alcohol consumption can also disrupt the gut microbiome. Even environmental factors like pollution and exposure to pesticides can impact the delicate balance of bacteria in our gut. Nurturing your gut: practical tips for a healthier microbiome. The good news is that we can take charge of our gut health. By making simple yet powerful lifestyle changes, we can nurture our gut microbiome and reap the rewards of a healthier gut. One of the most effective ways to improve gut health is through our diet. Focus on consuming a wide variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. These foods are rich in fiber, which acts as food for our beneficial gut bacteria. Incorporate fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi into your diet. These foods are natural sources of probiotics, which introduce beneficial bacteria into our gut. Limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Probiotics and prebiotics. Allies in gut health. Probiotics and prebiotics are gaining popularity as gut health heroes, and for good reason. They play distinct yet complementary roles in supporting a thriving gut microbiome. Probiotics are live beneficial bacteria that, when consumed in adequate amounts, can provide health benefits by adding to the diversity and population of good bacteria in our gut. Prebiotics, on the other hand, are types of dietary fiber that act as food for our gut bacteria. Think of prebiotics as fertilizers for our good gut bacteria, helping them thrive and multiply. Good sources of prebiotics include bananas, onions, garlic, asparagus, and oats. Seeking expert guidance, when to consult a doctor. While many gut health issues can be addressed through lifestyle changes and dietary modifications, certain situations warrant professional medical attention. If you experience persistent and severe digestive problems such as chronic diarrhea, constipation, blood in your stool, or unexplained weight loss, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional promptly. Additionally, if you have concerns about your gut health or are considering taking probiotics or supplements, it's always best to seek guidance from a qualified healthcare professional. They can assess your individual needs, rule out any underlying medical conditions, and provide personalized recommendations. A healthy gut, a healthier you, the power within. The gut microbiome, once an overlooked aspect of our health, is now recognized as a key player in our overall well-being. From digestion and metabolism to immunity and even mood, the trillions of bacteria residing in our gut impact our bodies in profound ways. By understanding the importance of a healthy gut microbiome and adopting gut-friendly habits, we can unlock the secret power within and pave the way for a healthier and happier life. Remember, taking care of our gut is an investment in our overall health. By nourishing our gut microbiome, we nourish ourselves, unlocking the potential for a more vibrant and fulfilling life. Don't forget to subscribe to the Life Lens channel for more insights on health and wellness.